Greetings from the luxurious voyage of the future. Bentley is reinventing the idea of the motorhome, so forget about the constraints of luxury on land. Presenting the 2026 Bentley Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends unparalleled mobility, unrivaled elegance, and unparalleled performance. In addition to its recognizable matrix grille and crystal LED headlights, Bentley's distinctive front fascia adds to its individuality. Its large multispoke alloy wheels and flowing aerodynamic bodylines give it a menacing appearance despite its little size. The powertrain of this RV is almost as impressive as its looks. Its cutting-edge 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine, which generates more than 600 horsepower, provides a strong, serene, and cozy ride that makes you feel as though you are soaring through the skies. You step inside the cockpit, which doubles as an opulent control center and the driver's cabin. Soft, quilted Bentley leather covers the dashboard, which is also adorned with high-gloss carbon fiber or book-matched veneer wood. Among the impressive ways the information is displayed are a large curved OLED infotainment display, augmented reality navigation, Level 3 autonomous driving assistance technology, and simple voice control. A heated and cooled leather steering wheel makes every journey completely enjoyable, and haptic touch and actual metal buttons offer gratifying physical input. However, the expansive area is lovely. Optimizing comfort is the aim of a large, light-filled living space. With features like heating, cooling, and massaging, hand-stitched Mulliner leather couches and chairs in the recognizable diamond pattern provide the utmost in luxury. While the camper is parked, electrically movable wall panels offer a more private lounge area and increase the living space. An unparalleled entertainment experience is produced via a retractable 8K OLED TV screen from the ceiling, a Naim for Bentley audio system with concealed speakers, and changeable multicolored LED ambient lighting. The bedroom in the back is a secluded retreat. When traveling long distances, a king-size mattress with memory foam on top ensures a good night's sleep. Plenty of storage space is provided with built-in wardrobes with lockable drawers and automated lighting. A separate climate control system guarantees the ideal sleeping temperature, and large panoramic windows with motorized shutters provide breathtaking views. The restroom functions as a temporary spa. It has a ceramic vacuum toilet with bidet, a high-pressure rain shower, and a sophisticated sink with chrome or gold-plated taps. Fine marble or opulent composite materials are used to create the finish. The maximum level of comfort is offered with a quiet air ventilation system, integrated illumination, and an anti-fog mirror. Finally, the kitchen is an example of utilitarian art. Built-in microwaves, convection ovens, induction cooktops, side-by-side freezers with ice makers, and concealed dishwashers are all produced by high-end manufacturers like Gaggenau or Sub-Zero. Materials like granite and quartz are utilized to make surfaces that are resistant to scratches. Even in the large outdoor space, custom cabinets with soft-close drawers and superb under-cabinet lighting may meet all of your culinary needs. 2026 Bentley Motorhome. It is a statement of unrestrained luxury and freedom rather than merely a car. Savor each trip in the unparalleled luxury that only Bentley can provide.